Halo? Bex? Halo, Bex?
Coba itu speaker. Halo? Coba bilang
Ya,
saya
oke.
mikrofon. Halo?
Sudah bisa? Oke, I can hear you.
Udah kedengaran belum? Masih belum, walaupun ini ya kedengeran sama si meetingnya
Halo?
ini.
Halo?
Kayaknya itu dari sisi Kak Ovarnya takutnya. Kak Ovar.
Halo?
Itu di chat. Apa di chat? Itu ngomong.
Halo?
Gimana? Sudah tante udah kedengaran? Terus Kak Ovarnya nggak kedengaran sekarang.
Halo?
Mama ganti si itunya soalnya tadi speakernya. Oh, sekarang
Halo?
coba Kak Ovar ngomong lagi
Halo?
Kak Ovar. Oh iya udah
Halo?
kedengaran.
Halo?
Iya tadi saya udah kedengaran.
Oke, Tante. Makasih banyak ya,
Sudah.
Tante.
Next, lain kali pokoknya cek di sininya yang diganti speakernya kayak mikrofonnya kayak pura-pura nggak tahu. Kagak tahu sama sekali. Bisa-bisanya kamu nggak tahu. Ya iyalah. Mama nggak ajarin soalnya. Nggak ada. Kamu malah yang pernah ngajarin mama. Situ sudah nggak ada alasan lagi. Rusak.
Okay, Bex, can you turn on your camera?
Nggak tahu kenapa. Nggak bisa lagi. Nggak tahu kenapa
bisa ya?
kameranya nggak bisa.
Oh, gitu ya, Tante.
Kenapa
Oke,
nggak bisa
nggak
sih, Bex?
apa-apa.
Kamera. Cuma satu. Backgroundnya yang seharusnya saat nyala bisa sekarang. Sudah nggak ada aplikasi lain yang pakai kamera nyala. Ya sudah. Nggak bisa Kak Ufar.
Iya, nggak apa-apa, Tante. Makasih banyak ya, Tante.
Sama-sama.
Okay, Bex, let's
Terima
start
kasih, Ma.
our... Okay, Bex, let's start our lesson for today ya. Oke, gimana? Udah seminggu berarti ya, sekolah ya? It's been a week, right? Since you start school in the first day last week, right? So, did you have learned anything new from your teachers?
No.
No? So, what did you discuss then? The teachers discuss in the schools?
Geometry.
Oh, still about geometry. Okay. Okay, so for today we will be discussing Do you still remember what did we discuss in the last meeting?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
What is it?
Pangkat.
Hmm?
Pangkat.
Pangkat, ya. Exponent ya. Exponent. Okay.
Yes.
Nah, so for today, I want to discuss some practices, yeah. So I'm gonna share my screen now. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I got a lot of practices here, yeah. So I'm gonna use Han Academy to do some the exercise. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna be practicing while reviewing the material, yeah. Okay, so this is
Okay.
just a video, something like that. I think it's not really that important. Okay, this is just an intro, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's start by taking a look at example. What does it mean to square a number? What do you think? What does it mean to square a number? Multiply the number by itself, add the number to itself. Hmm?
Wait. Oh, multiply the number by itself.
Okay, let's check, yeah? Okay, correct. Okay, so, okay, connection to a square. Okay, so even though we have learned about exponent in an algebraic way, we can also see that exponent can be connect to a square. I mean, really a square gitu. A square in geometry, ya. So for example, yeah, so this is the material, ya. Finding 3 square is the same as finding the area of a square with side length 3. Gitu ya. Jadi kalau misalkan 3 pangkat 2 itu sebetulnya sama seperti kita mencari, we want to find the area of a square with side length 3 gitu. So 3 times 3, right? Which is 3 square, which is 9. Okay? Nah, if finding a number square is the same as finding the area of a square with side length 3, what do you think is, for example, 3 cube? What does it mean in geometry? What do you think, Max?
3 cube?
Ya, so 3 cube itu kan 3 pangkat 3. Nah, kalau 3 square itu kan...
Oh, 3 cube.
Hah?
3 cubed or 3 squared?
3 cube, 3 cube. So, jadi kalau misalkan 3 pangkat 2 itu kan
3
kita...
times 3. 3 times 3 times 3.
Ya. Nah, kalau
3
misalkan 3
3.
square itu kan di geometrinya kita mencari area dari square dengan length-nya 3. Itu 3 square. Tapi kalau misalkan 3 cube, dia mencari apa itu? Kalau dalam geometrinya. What do you think?
Area.
Hmm?
Volume.
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 Kalau misalkan 3 cube, itu berarti side length-nya berapa tuh dari cube-nya? Kan kalau misalkan 3 square, itu adalah finding the area of square gitu. Dengan side length 3 gitu. Kalau misalkan 3 cube, itu kan finding a volume. Nah, finding a volume of a cube that has the side length of 3 juga, sama. Jadi kan karena 3 times 3 times 3, that's the volume of a cube, right? Volume of a cube, right? So, the square multiply by itself 3 times. Oke, coba. Kalau misalkan 1 squared itu berarti berapa? Kalau 1 squared itu berapa? 1, oke. Oke, benar. Kalau 2 square?
4. 4.
4, oke.
Hah?
Sebentar. Kelihatan nggak? Can you see my screen?
Kelihatan? Ya.
Oke, ini 4. Kalau 3 square, ini berapa?
6. Enggak salah. 9.
9, oke. Kalau misalkan 4 kali 4, 4 square, itu adalah
Uh, 16. 16.
16, oke. Kalau 5 kali 5, 5 square?
25.
25.
Yeah.
25. Okay, what about 6 square?
Uh, 36.
36. What about 7 square?
Yeah. Empat 9. 49.
49. Oke, kalau misalkan 8 square, 8 kali 8.
Uh, 64.
64. Oke. Kalau misalkan 9 square.
Oh, 9 square. 18.
Berapa?
18.
80. 80 atau 18?
18.
18. Are you sure?
18. Teen.
18.
Oh wait. Oh,
18,
9
kan?
times 9. Oh, sorry. No. No.
Ayo.
81.
81. Oke. Terakhir. 10 square. Sepuluh kali 10. Paling gampang ya.
Oh, 100.
Berapa?
100. 100.
100. Oke. 100 ya. Oke. Nah, challenge set. So, A square itu apa? A plus A atau A divide by A or A times A then?
A times A.
A times A. Oke. Hah? A times A. Are you
A
sure?
times A.
Oh iya,
A
A times
times
A.
A.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Oke, 4 square plus 6. Berapa itu?
Muslim. Buka. Root. 24.
Tidak ada.
No, 22. 22.
22. Okay.
Dua.
Order the expression from the least to the greatest. Yang listnya dulu nih, yang mana?
Oke, 36 minus 30. 22. 25. Udah betul itu.
Sudah betul seperti ini.
Enggak. Gerakin si 5 square ke tengah.
Sini, gini.
Dah.
Dah. Oke. Oke. Oke, lanjut lagi. Oke. Oke, write 7 times 7 times 7 using exponent. Itu berarti jadinya gimana nih? Cara eksponennya berarti bagaimana?
Oke. Berarti 7 to the power of 3.
7 to the power of 3 ya. Oke. Kalau misalkan ini, kayaknya terlalu gampang. Oke, let's see ini. Challenge setnya. Complete the inequality. Is it larger or smaller or equal to?
Currently larger.
Larger ya. Oke. Kalau ini berapa?
Hah?
Bener kok. Bener kok tadi. Soalnya kan 2 pangkat 5, 2 to the power of 5 sama 5 to the power of 2. This is 32. This is 25. Gitu. Oke, what about this one?
Oke. 12.
12, oke. Salah. Ayo. Gimana ini?
Apa sih? 10.
10?
10.
Oke. Oke, 10 ya. Oke, evaluate the expression x to the power of 3 for x equal to 4.
4 times 4. Uh, 64.
64. Oke, benar. Nah, ini is 2 to the power of 10 or 10 to the power of 2 larger.
Dominus Spiritus. No.
Ayo, yang mana yang lebih besar?
Okay, 10 times 10 is 100. Wow.
Oke.
Gagal. 1020. Okay, 2 over 10. Eh? Oh, no.
2 over 10?
2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of is big.
2 to the power of 10 is larger than 10 to the power of 2. Okay. Then 10 squared. Okay, let's check, yeah? Okay. Correct. So, what is 2 to the power of 10, by the way?
Okay.
What is 2 to the power of 10?
1024.
1024. Okay. Let's see. Next exercise.
Me.
Ah. So, match each of fraction. Match each expression to its expanded form. Nah. Jadi kalau misalkan 2 times 5 itu yang mana, Bex?
Okay. 2 times 5 is 2 times 5 is the bottom one.
Hmm? Are you sure?
Okay, 2 times 2 is okay, correct. Wait, is 2 divided 2 to the power of 5 is. Oh wait, 5 plus 5 at the top, and 5 plus 5 replaced with 2 times 2. Wow. That's 2 times 2 times 2.
Okay. Let's see ya.
Correct.
Okay. Correct atau enggak nih? Wait, okay. Correct. Okay, good. Next question. 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 times 5. True or false? What do you think?
Playing talk.
3 to the power of 5 is 3 times 5. Is it true or false?
False.
False. So what about 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 5 to the power of 3? Is it the same thing? What do you think?
I don't know.
Try to verify that. What is 3 to the power of 5? What is 5 to the power of 3? So you can compare both of them and just see the value, yeah? So if those yield the same value.
False.
Coba. False.
Wait.
Are you sure?
No.
No? So it's true then.
Wait.
Well,
Okay. See, yeah? So it's true or false?
Wait for a second.
Okay.
False.
False. So what about 1 to the power of 3? 1 cube equal to 5 cube. Is it true?
False.
False, obviously. So let's see. Is it correct or not? It takes some time, eh? To verify. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna refresh the web, yeah. Okay, good. Next question.
Wow.
Okay, this is too easy lah ya. I think we're gonna skip this. This is 8 to the power 4, right? So I think we can skip this. Okay.
Okay.
This
Correct.
is 8 to the correct lah ya.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like a network request timeout. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, I have to start again. Okay, let's just skip to the next part. Okay, what is 0 square? Nah, kalau 0 di square gimana?
Uh, 0 times 0.
Which is
0.
0. Okay. Okay, next. 5 squared is 25 ya? Okay.
Yes.
3 to the power of 4 is
3 to the power of 4. 3 over 4.
3 over 4.
12. Oh, wait, what? No. Not. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3. 27.
Yeah, 9 times. And then
27 times 3.
yeah.
81.
81. Okay, let's
81.
see. Okay, good. Okay, 1 to the power of 3 is too easy. One lah ya. Okay. Nah, what about if the number is a decimal? Okay, let's see.
Wow.
Oke, nah kalau misalkan 0.6 square, Max, ini berarti gimana nih?
Are you okay, blood?
square.
Pintar sakit tahu gila. I have to shoot me in the eye before you. Nol koma enam. 0,6 tambah kali 0,
0,6 kali 0,6 itu berapa itu?
Halo?
Ayo, berapa Bex?
0,6 kali 0,6 itu 0,36.
0,36. Oke.
Mas nggak sih? Iya.
Oke. Kalau 0,1 pangkat 3, 0.1 to the power of 3. Berarti gimana itu?
Eh, 0,001.
0,001. Oke, let's see. Oke. Nah, kalau begini, 4/7 pangkat 2. Itu gimana itu, Bex? Kalau fraction di squared itu gimana?
Oke. Waduh.
Oke, mungkin kita belajar sebentar ya. Ini kayaknya aku belum pernah bahas nih soalnya. Jadi, so if you have a fraction and then it have an exponent with it, ya. Jadi basically kalau misalkan seperti itu sama aja Bex konsepnya. Jadi kalau kamu lihat ya. Jadi kalau misalkan 2/3 pangkat 3, it means that you multiply 2/3 3 times gitu. Jadi 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3 gitu. Jadi kalau kamu lihat ini kan bisa aja langsung 2 times 2 times 2 ya. And then 3 times 3 times 3 gitu ya. So you can see that the pattern here is that you can distribute the 3 to each of the numerator and the denominator. Ya, so jadi ini simply 2 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of 3 gitu. Jadi kalau misalkan 4/9 squared itu berarti ya you can write it as this expression of course ya. Jadi primitively you can write it as a multiplication of 4/9 2 times gitu ya. But in using some shortcuts and it is allowed ya, it is allowed you can simply find the square of the 4 and then square of the 9 gitu. Jadi 4 square divided by 9 square. Which is the result will also be the same gitu, which is 4 squared is 16, right? And 9 squared is 81. So 16/81. Yeah, you can I think this is the most simplified form. Gitu ya. Okay, back to the question. So what is 4/7 squared then, Bex?
4/7 is
Again, you don't have to find the decimals ya. Just write it as just write it as a fraction gitu ya. Jadi ingat ya tadi ya. Jadi kalau misalkan 2/3 4/9 square itu berarti 4/9 times 4/9 gitu. Atau langsung aja 4 square divided by 9 square gitu. Jadi kalau misalkan 4/9 cube itu berarti 4 cube divided by 9 cube gitu. Jadi kalau misalkan 4/7 square itu berarti jadinya berapa in fraction ya?
Oh, 0.510204086163.
No, I don't want the decimals. I want the fractions. Nah, kalau fractionsnya gimana?
Can you show me again?
Okay, this is the fraction.
Okay. Oh. 4 times 7 at 4 times 4 over 7 times 4 over 7, right?
Yes.
So wait.
Okay.
Four over 49.
Hmm?
Wait.
Are you sure?
Oh wait, never mind. 16 over 40. Wait. 49.
49. Okay, let's see, yeah. Okay, true. Let's see. What about 1 over 5 squared then?
Hmm. Uh, 1 over 25.
1 over 25. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's go to the quiz right now. Kalau begini. Ini gimana berarti, Bex? How is the expanded form? What is the expanded form?
Hmm. Okay. 5 plus 5 plus 5 next to 3 times 5, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 next to 3 times 3.
So this is like this. This is like this. Okay,
Yes.
like this.
Wait, switch up the, yes. Wait, no. I'll switch up the 5 plus 5 plus 5 and 3 times 3 plus 3.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay, what about 0.5 square?
Zero 0.5 squared. 1 over 4.
1 over?
4.
1 over 4. Okay. True or false? What about this?
False at the beginning, very start, at the top.
Okay, and then?
Wait, every single one of them is false.
Okay. Okay. What about this one? 0.2 to the power of 4. Now, the hint is that if you are difficult, you're having difficult to find the exponent of a decimals, which I happen to also encounter, yeah. I don't really like to deal with powering a decimals, yeah. So instead of powering a decimals, I would turn, if possible, yeah, I would turn the decimals into a fraction. So it will become more easy, right, to find the fraction of 0.2 first, and then you can directly power it to according to the power itself. Yeah. So, for example, 0.2 to the power 4 is what is 0.2 in exponent in fractions?
1/5.
1/5 to the power 4. It will become
1/. Wait. Yeah, 1/. Uh. 1 to the power of no 1/625.
okay. Let's see. Ah, okay, good. What about this one? This is 7 to the power of
Okay, 7 to the power of 6.
7 to the power of 6. Okay. Good. Yay. Okay. Nah, oke. Lanjut lagi. Nah, what about this? Ah, too easy. No exponent. Oke, cepat. Quick, Bex. Ini berapa ini, Bex? Let's make it quick.
Okay,
Ini berapa, Bex?
times 2.
Oke.
3 times
Ini?
2. 6.
Hmm? Hmm? Order. Remember, order of the operations.
Oh wait,
Which
order
one
of
is come
sorry,
first?
then 4.
4. Okay, quick. What about this one?
Okay, 93 divided by 10. Okay. But first 90 divided by 10. So it's 3 plus 9. 12.
12. Okay, quick. What about this? What about these? Ayo, come on, come on. Easy, easy.
Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. 6. 10 minus 6 is 4.
Okay, 4, yeah? Hey, what about these?
Yeah. Okay. So first up, divide. So 14 divided by 2. Wait. Yeah, divide first, right?
Tapi kalau begini gimana?
Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait. What's it? 10 divided by 2. 5.
5. Jadi kalau misalkan seperti ini, ya, you must, this is some kind of a hidden bracket, ya. The concept of this is kind of like hidden bracket. Gitu. So, you cleared up the operation at the top and the bottom first, and then baru di divide. Gitu. Jadi even though we know that in PEMDAS gitu ya, so this is some kind of a hidden bracket gitu ya. Jadi so you do the 14 minus 4 first because it is some kind of inside of an invincible bracket gitu ya. and then divide it by 2 gitu. So that's the consensus ya. Okay, so the 14 minus 4 will come first and then divided by 2. Okay, which is 5. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, next up. Oh, this is different ini ya ternyata. Different chapter. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's see. Gonna search another exponent questions gitu ya. Whoa. This is I think too hard.
What the hell?
Too hard. Okay. Whoa.
This one kind of easy.
Which one?
The one that you pressed.
This one?
Not the Byju's. Not the Byju's.
Oh, not
Before
the
the one that you
Byju's.
pressed before.
Oh, this one?
After Byju's. Yes.
Are you sure?
Maybe. I maybe do lots of mistakes, but I'll try.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oke, mungkin ini. Coba. Minus 4 to the power of 5 divided 5 minus 4 to the power of 8. Jadi itu berapa tuh? Remember, you can use the properties ya. The properties of exponent. Jadi kalau misalkan divide, itu berarti nanti pangkatnya bisa dikurangi gitu.
Minus 4 times 5.
To the power of 5.
I'm sorry. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4.
Tapi ini minus 4, Bex. Jadi bukan 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Tapi minus 4
times. Yeah, itu kayak 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. But later on it's minus.
Oke, boleh coba. Dicoba aja dulu.
Okay, so first off. Minus 1024.
Minus
1024.
1000. So it's supposed to be like this, Bex. Jadi menggunakan sifat yang A pangkat M dibagi A pangkat N itu adalah A pangkat M minus N gitu. Jadi karena they share the same basis, right? Jadi kalau misalkan they share the same basis, automatically you can use this properties gitu. Jadi ini jadinya minus 4 divided by minus 4 to the power of 5. Itu bisa jadi minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8 gitu. Which is minus 4 to the power of minus 3, right? Which is 1 kalau minus, kalau pangkat itu minus, dia bisa jadi fraction gitu. 1 over minus 4 over 3. Oke? Nah, ini kalau misalkan yang ini gimana?
What?
Yang ini.
What's it? 5 minus 8 8 minus 5. Wait. No, it's 5 minus 8. Is it? Let's do 8 minus 5. It's 3.
Sebuah game bernama musuh
Nah, ini resultnya. Ini kan resultnya.
Yes.
Jadi result yang sebelumnya. Jadi kalau result sebelumnya harusnya kamu bukan, tadi kamu berapa jawabnya? 1024 if I'm not mistaken.
Minus 1004 1204.
Nah, jadi bukan begitu. Jadi harusnya kamu you know that they share the same basis, right? They share the same base gitu ya. So base-nya kan sama-sama -4. Jadi kalau misalkan base-nya sama, kamu bisa pakai sifat ini. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n itu simply a to the power of m minus n. Nah, karena ini base-nya sama, berarti ini jadinya -4 ini jadinya disimplified -4 to the power of 5 minus 8. Nah, harusnya kan -3, right? But since we have the properties, if we have negative negatif ini ya, negatif pangkatnya negatif, kalau dia pangkatnya negatif bisa jadi seper. Jadi 1/-4 to the power of 3. Yeah, you can also write it as -4 to the power of 3, but -3 to the power of -3, but it is more preferably to use to avoid any negative in power. Oke, nah coba kalau misalkan yang ini gimana? Yang aku highlight, the one that I highlight. So what is the final solution then?
Final solution.
So what is the answer for this?
Okay. It's wait. We can just like combine the power 2, right? The exponents. So no exponents later on, because 2 plus 3 is 5, and there's -5. 5 plus -5 is 0. So a with no exponents.
A to the power of 0, right?
Yeah, also known as no power at all. So it's just a.
Are you sure? A to the power of 0.
A to the power of 0. Wait. It's because if it's the exact same, the thing that I was saying, I forgot what the name was. The under things. Denominator? No, that's something else. Like the denominators of the exponents. Let's call it that. But all of them are a, right? So technically we can combine the exponents, right?
Nah, kalau a to the power of 0 itu berarti jadinya apa?
A.
Itu kan a to the power of 1. Kalau a to the power of 1 jadinya a aja.
Oh, a to the power of 0. So a 0. 0.
Any number power to 0 always become
0.
1.
What?
Yes. Coba ya.
How?
A to the power of 0. 1. Okay. Nah,
but
a
why?
to the power of 0 of 1. Oke, why ya? Proof-nya ya. Oke. Nah, ini seperti ini.
What?
Jadi kalau kita bisa menuliskan a to the power of 0 kan a divided by a. gitu kan ya. Nah, ini kan equal to 1 kan pasti kan sebetulnya kan? Ya enggak? Jadi, tapi sebetulnya a to the power of 1 ini kan bisa ditulis in exponentnya a to the power of 1 times a to the power of minus 1, right? Nah, kalau kita gabung a to the power of 1 minus 1 kan jadinya, which is a to the power of 0. Nah, terbukti a to the power of 0 is 1. Paham, Bex?
Yes.
Nah, jadi always any number that raised to 0 always becomes 1. Okay. Like that ya. Okay, I think let's take a break for a moment gitu ya karena I haven't done my prayer for Maghrib, so I think we're gonna take a break. Okay? See you again, Bex.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a break
Yes.
ya. I will do the Maghrib prayer first, okay? Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, Bex. Okay, Bex. Hello. Can you hear my voice? Hello. Hello, Bex.
Hello.
Okay, let's continue. Yeah. Okay. 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 1 minute.
Oh, look at this. Gugu Gaga. Gugu Gaga. Gugu Gaga. Gugu Gaga.
Coba lanjut ya. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Exponent and root ya. Oh iya, kita belum bahas root. Coba. Nah, ini kalau seperti ini gimana, Bex? Jadi kalau misalkan kita punya ini 3 to the power of 4 ya. And then di power lagi nih dengan setengah. Kemudian dikali 3. Ini berarti jadinya gimana, Bex?
Uh, hmm. So it's 12 times 0.5, right?
What is it?
Okay, so 18.
18, yakin?
Yes.
Caranya
Maybe.
gimana? Berarti kan 3 to the power of 4 and then power it again with
So
a
3 to the
half.
power of 4 is 3 to the power of 4.
Oh my god.
So 4 times 4. Oh wait, no, 3 times 3. 9. 9 times 3. 9 times 3. Wait. 9 times 3. 9. 27. And then times 3. Uh, 81. So 81 times 0.5. So it's the half of 81. Or do you want me to wait? Oh, you want me to multiply the same 3 times half first, right?
No.
3 to the power of 4 and then power it again with a half.
A power again with the half and exponent.
Masih ingat gak kalau misalkan fraction itu kan ada hubungannya dengan root ya. Jadi kalau misalkan the root of a to the power of c, root of b, a of a to the power of c itu kan a to the power of b over c over b. C over b. Nah, jadi kalau misalkan dan juga ada sifatnya yang lain adalah kalau misalkan kita punya pangkat a to the power of b and then power it again with c gitu ya.
Yeah.
Maka ini bisa jadi a to the power of b times c. Remember? Jadi kalau misalkan seperti ini jadi gimana?
Okay.
Berarti kan ini 3 to the power of 4 to the power of half multiplied by 3. Nah ini berarti jadi
so 27. Halo?
ya gimana Max?
27.
Not 27. 27 ya benar-benar 27. Berarti ini kan ya ini jadi square ya berarti ini 9 times 3 ya karena 3 square itu 9 times 3 itu 27. Okay, good 27. Nah jadi you don't have to find the 3 to the power of 4 gitu ya. Jadi langsung saja 3 to the power of 4 times a half gitu. Oke. Nah, misalkan begini. Nah, sekarang kalau sekarang kita punyanya root. Gimana tuh, Bex? Jadi ini the root of 4 to the power of 3 multiply by a root of 8. This is 3 ya, root of 8 with 3 gitu ya. Ini berarti gimana?
Yes.
Jadi hintnya change the exponent, the root to become an exponent. Nah, ini berarti exponent formnya gimana?
Okay. Okay. So 4 over 3 root is 8. Correct?
8, okay, 8. And then?
And then it is 8 times 8 times bracket x times 3 equals 8.
Gimana?
X times 3 equals 8.
X. Gimana, Max? X. Gimana? Boleh diulangin, Max?
Which
Jadi gimana? The cube root of 8 itu berapa?
wait for a second. Okay. So it's 8 times 2.
8 times
16.
16. Okay. Good. Nah, mungkin last question ya. Last question. Oh, wow. Oke, ini menarik ini. Simplify the expression. Nah, jadi kalau misalkan kita punya functionnya seperti ini nih. Ada sebuah function of fx gitu ya. Yang adalah 5x pangkat min 2 kali 4x pangkat 5 min 2x. Berarti the most simplified formnya gimana, Bex?
Most simplified form.
Dari expression ini.
F times x. Then f times x equals 5.
Oh, ininya nggak usah, Bex. F-nya, this is just an expression ya. So what do you want to simplify itu ininya? Jadi fx itu kan function of x gitu ya.
Okay, first off, let's do the because all of them is x times something. So 5 plus 4 plus 2. That's 11. So 11x.
Gimana?
11x.
11x. Are you sure?
No. That's plus. This is not plus. This is times.
Continue.
Hold up. So 5x is minus 2 times 4x. I 5x. I don't know.
Tidak tahu?
I never did this with the. Yes. Thank you.
Oke. Jadi seperti ini, Bex. Jadi kamu fokus sebetulnya, ini sebetulnya kalau kamu tuliskan ya, so the function of fx-nya ini kan berarti 5 times x to the power of minus 2 times 4 times x to the power of 5. Jadi seperti itu aja. Kemudian dikurangi dengan 2x. Nah, so dahulukan yang multiplication first gitu ya. Nah, kamu multiply yang angka dengan angka, yang variable dengan variable. Jadi x to the power of minus 2 multiply by x to the power of 5 minus 2x gitu ya. Nah, ini berarti jadinya apa? 5 times 4 itu 20. Nah, x to the power of minus 2 times x to the power of 5 itu bisa pakai sifat yang ini. We can use the index law. Gitu ya. Jadi ini berarti jadi gimana? X to the power of 3 minus 2x. Jadi ini 20 x to the power of to the power of 3 minus 2x. Paham nggak, Bex? Ya.
Oke.
Jadi seperti itu. Jadi dikumpulkan yang angka dengan yang angka. Ini yang angka, ini yang variable. Gitu. Nah, ini sudah tidak bisa disederhanakan lagi karena if you have learned about algebra, this is a different variable ya. Walaupun this is x gitu ya. Tapi kan ini pangkatnya beda. Jadi we treat them as a different object gitu ya. Nggak bisa digabung. Tidak bisa menjadi 18 x to the power of 3 gitu. Ya. Tidak bisa. Oke? Oke ya.
Oke.
Oke, ya sudah, karena sudah jam segini, we gonna end our lesson for today. I think before we end our session, is there anything that you want to ask, Bex?
No.
No, ya? Okay, we'll meet again in Thursday then, okay? Okay, bye-bye, Bex. See you again in Thursday. Bye-bye.
Bye.